Hello everyone. Good afternoon and welcome back to our group. We are from group 6 and we will present about producing electronic materials. So let me introduce myself. My name is Johanna.
My name is Olivia.
My name is Febrina.
My name is Novita.
My name is Olin.
Okay, so we are going to move on to our first topic. So next, our first topic is about what is electronic materials. Can you guess it, anyone? Yes, right, about internet, about LMS. Okay, right. Okay, yeah. So basically, electronic materials is about informational research, exercise, and activities that are used by students. We can know that in our generation, we know about ruang guru and then Bella, and then this Zoom. Yeah, that are electronic materials that we can use to access exercise and activities. Next, and why teacher use electronic materials in their classroom? So for the first, uh, basically electronic material give more practice for learners who are quite weak in class. For example, I'm not audiovisual person, so perhaps this teacher give some practice in audiovisual material, and then give more consolidation and review exercise for others. So we can use this Zoom to review our exercise, and then we can use our WhatsApp group to discussion about our exercise. And then the last, generate a large bank of materials that can be in future teaching and learning process. Basically, we can search any others materials that we have to use in our class. For example, we can search it on Google so that we can know our another materials. Okay, the next will be explained by my friend Olivia.
Okay, now let's move to creating electronic materials. In electric materials, the easiest way to create electric materials is by using internet. So we can use the tools in the internet, such as Discovery School Puzzle Maker. This is like a word search. The function is so the students can learn and review the vocabulary and even make a quiz by themselves. So they can learn how to make a quiz, and also they can review their vocabulary, maybe their new words that they found in the quiz. And then the teacher can build a manageable collection of materials that can address the individual problem easily. And next will be explained by Fabrina.
Yes, and we have already know about what is electronic materials. And now here is an authoring tools. Do you know what is authoring tools, or have you heard about it before? So authoring tools are the installable programs that teacher can use to create materials, which then can contribute on CD, DVD, or even USB pen driver. So it's basically the application that we use to make our materials to be more fun, more challenging for our student. And this tool usually use a simple design with some element that can ease teacher in creating materials. Therefore, teachers should be well advised to ensure that the software that they choose is the most suitable one for them, because not all teachers are know how to operate authoring tools. And the next will be presented by my friend Olin.
Thank you, Febri. So the next is we are going to explain about using authoring tools to produce materials. The first materials, which famous one, is hot potatoes. It can be programs that teacher or students that can students or teachers use to make materials or maybe make a online quizzes. So it can make any kinds of material such as multiple choice, short answer, or mix and match, and close test, and etc. And then the next, make interactive stories using an authoring tool. So one of the meaningful help from the authoring tools, it can make interactive stories. It can help students in reading comprehension. So it will involve critical skills and collaborative learning from the students. And then the next, please. Yeah, as a teacher, we should choose the appropriate electronic materials and be resourceful in choosing materials for our students. So before we implemented the programs in the class, we have to spend some time to select, prepare, and even try the program before implemented it into the class. So we need to, so the teaching learning process can run well, and the students can more understand about the materials that presented by the teachers. And then the next will be explained by my friend Novita.
Okay, thank you, Olin. And so, from our presentation, we can conclude that ICT offers a significant potential benefit to learners. And based on your experience, which one is faster and more easy for you? You tap it manually or automatically by using technology. Of course, using technology, right? Because the learning process becomes faster and effectively. And then the second, the internet in general assists knowledge sharing and gathering. Nowadays, with the internet, if we search the information in the Google, for example, you type it and the internet shows all the information for you. So the benefit from the internet, we can share it to other people so the other people know that information too. And the last one, the power of this new technology is not the tool itself, but those of us that choose to use it. So if we want to learn how to use it, we can get the benefit from the technology, because only human that can create and run the technology, and human have brain and develop every day. So that's all from my conclusion, our group conclusion, and from our group presentation. Thank you for your attention.